Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has stated that in spite of cut in petrol prices and implementation of various schemes which will put an additional burden on the exchequer, next financial year will see 25% increase in revenues. He also assured that while achieving this target, common man will not be burdened.
In his first exclusive interview to the editor of Goa 365, Sanjay Tavlikar, after taking over as Chief Minister, Mr. Parrikar elaborated on various aspects of the budgetary preparations. He said that collection of service tax on many services was not done by the previous government. There were major leakages that needed to be plugged, he said.
We are estimating revenue growth in spite of petrol leakage. I won't give you the figure because that is budget prerogative. But आमचो जो हे आसा तो जो करू ना 25 ते 30% without burdening any of the common man's item.
In spite of new schemes,
in spite of
heavy burden on finances, reaching 25%. The leakages was आमच्या अर्थव्यवस्थेचो मेजर प्रॉब्लेम जाल्लो काय कितें फाटल्या काही वर्षांनी.
लिकेजीस आणि हय लिकेज हो मेजर प्रॉब्लेम म्हणजे सर्व्हिस चार्जीस थोड्या लायल्या पण कलेक्ट जायना, थोड्या लावत ना, जे लावपाचे आशिल्ले ते करून लावत ना. आता ग्रीन सेस लायता म्हणलो 50 रुपया पर टन खंय लायलो लागूच जावना, कलेक्शन जाला मिनिस्टरान बोलता.
हे सगळे जर प्लग इन करीत आणि स्ट्रीमलाइन करीत जाल्यार साधारण कितको रेव्हेन्यू येऊ
25% ग्रोथ हांव टार्गेट करता. म्हाका दिसता 22 ते 25 भितर डेफिनेटली येतली.
The newly sworn in Chief Minister made it amply clear that his ministers would have to function efficiently and work for the entire state. Mr. Parrikar would have a periodical review of ministers' performance.
5 वर्षा खातीर लोकांनी तुमकां निवडून दिला. निवडून आयल्या तुमच्याकडे 21 तुमचे स्वताचे आमदार आसा आणि बाकीचे तुमच्या अलायन्साचे आसा. सो ह्यांची कितें तरी एक अकाउंटेबिलिटी आसची. म्हणजे फाटल्या काही वर्षांनी आम्ही अशें पळयलें की एकदा निवडून दिलो आणि लोक हतबल जावन बसला, हेल्पलेस जावन बसला. ती कशी आसतली?
6 म्हयन्यान प्रत्येकाचे रिपोर्ट कार्ड तयार केले वतले. एका वर्साच्या अंडर जो मिनिस्टर डज नॉट परफॉर्म, there is every likelihood that he will get some time to correct. But if he is not at all, he will be dropped.
The full interview can be viewed in Polytrix at 10 p.m. on Monday and on Tuesday at 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. only on Goa 365.